Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive north on I-65 in Alabama, beginning at mile 93 at the junction of I-65 and U.S. Highway 84. We're in Conecuh County on the edge of the county seat of Evergreen. Evergreen had an estimated population of 3,612 as of 2018. Early settlers to the area came from Georgia and South Carolina beginning in 1818. Evergreen was founded officially in 1819 when Revolutionary War veteran James Cosey and several other men settled within the present limits of the city. The Reverend Alexander Travis first called the town by its present name of Evergreen for the abundance of surrounding green foliage, plants, and ferns. The former county seat of Sparta was burned in a federal raid during the Civil War. In 1866, the county seat was moved to Evergreen as it was more centrally located in the county. Evergreen was incorporated as a city in 1873. In 1882, a tornado hit the city, destroying every building except for the Episcopal Church. In 1895, fire destroyed every business and house located on the east side of the railroad. 5 days later, fire destroyed every business and house on the west side. The Conecuh County Courthouse burned in 1868, 1875, 1885, and 1895. The first female pilot in the U.S. Navy, Barbara Allen Rainey, crashed and lost her life in 1982 near Evergreen.
It's amazing, the subtle games that you I play, and you don't even know I exist. You have got me on the hit list, and you're conspiring. Girl, you are sexual and bad, and now you got this on your conscience, because now I'm unresponsive.
Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos.
always for the good of you, but not the one you make. But one worth dying for if you saw her shake, shake, shake. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. Are you listening? We can feel the flow underneath our feet. You are listening.
We enter Butler County, named in honor of Captain William Butler, who was born in Virginia and fought in the Creek War. Butler County had an estimated population of 19,448 as of 2019. We crossed the corner of the town of Georgiana, which had an estimated population of 1,616 as of 2018. In 1997, the Alabama State Legislature voted to name this portion of I-65 in honor of Hank Williams. It was named the Hank Williams Memorial Lost Highway after his song of the same name. The Lost Highway runs from Williams' boyhood home here in Georgiana to his adopted hometown of Montgomery. We conclude today's video here at mile marker 116. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.